Hello and welcome to Money Mentorship. Today, we are diving deep into the world of retirement planning, a crucial aspect of financial well-being that deserves your attention. Whether you're in your early career stages or nearing retirement, understanding how to plan effectively for your golden years is essential. In this comprehensive video, we will cover everything you need to know about retirement planning, from setting goals to strategies and pitfalls to avoid. So, let's begin our journey towards securing a comfortable retirement. Importance of retirement planning. Retirement planning is more than just a financial task. It's a strategic approach to ensuring you have the funds needed to maintain your desired lifestyle after you stop working. With increasing life expectancy and changing economic conditions, it's crucial to start planning early to enjoy a worry-free retirement. Setting retirement goals. The first step in retirement planning is to define your retirement goals. Consider factors like where you want to live, the activities you want to pursue, and the lifestyle you wish to lead during retirement. Having clear goals will help you estimate how much money you'll need to save. Calculating retirement expenses. To accurately plan for retirement, you must estimate your future expenses. Consider factors like housing costs, healthcare expenses, daily living expenses, travel, and entertainment. Creating a comprehensive budget will help you determine how much income you'll require during retirement. Retirement savings options. There are several retirement savings options available, including employer-sponsored plans like 401ks, individual retirement accounts, IRAs, Roth IRAs, and more. We'll delve into each of these options, discussing their benefits, contribution limits, and tax implications. Benefits of early planning. Starting early is a key element of successful retirement planning. The power of compounding allows your investments to grow over time. We'll illustrate the impact of starting early with real-world examples and emphasize the importance of consistent contributions. Investment strategies for retirement. Choosing the right investment strategy is crucial to achieving your retirement goals. We'll discuss various investment vehicles, from stocks and bonds to mutual funds and index funds. We'll also explore the concept of asset allocation and the balance between risk and reward. Retirement income sources. Retirement income comes from various sources, including Social Security benefits, pensions, if applicable, and personal savings. We'll guide you through maximizing your Social Security benefits and understanding how pensions work. Transitioning to retirement. The transition from working life to retirement requires careful planning. We'll discuss considerations like when to claim Social Security, managing your retirement accounts, and creating a withdrawal strategy that ensures your savings last throughout your retirement years. Long-term healthcare and insurance. Healthcare costs can be a significant expense during retirement. We'll talk about Medicare, long-term care insurance, and strategies to manage potential healthcare expenses. Common retirement planning mistakes. Avoiding common retirement planning mistakes can help you stay on track. We'll discuss pitfalls such as underestimating expenses, not accounting for inflation, and failing to adjust your plan as circumstances change. Monitoring and adjusting your plan. Retirement planning is an ongoing process. We'll explore how to monitor your plan's progress, make necessary adjustments, and ensure your retirement savings remain aligned with your goals. Estate planning and legacy. Estate planning is a crucial component of retirement planning. We'll discuss creating a will, establishing trusts, and considering your legacy wishes for your loved ones. Congratulations! You've now gained a comprehensive understanding of retirement planning and its various facets. Remember, a well-thought-out retirement plan can provide you with financial security and peace of mind in your later years. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful financial content. Thank you for joining us today, and here's to a prosperous and fulfilling retirement journey.